Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group PBL 608 and we will present of progress of our project. The title is Penetration Testing 16. Next. The next is name of our member. The first is myself, Lendro Pratama Putra. The second is Ferdiansyah. The third is Raisa Mumtaza. Four is Peter Satrian Ramadan. And last, Madebe R. Siregar. Next is our manager project, Mrs. Festi Windasari, STLCom MSc. And this our project description. This project focuses on analyzing and testing the security of a web-based application. The activities include identifying vulnerabilities, assessing security risks, and simulating attack to evaluate the system resilience against real-world threats. Testing is performed systematically using modern tools and methods, including network scanning, vulnerability assessment, and penetration testing. Next.
We use for main stage in our pentest method. First is preparations, where we define the scope, type of attack, and rules of engagement. And then information gathering, where we collect data about the server, application, and vulnerabilities through passive and active scanning. And then the next is exploitations, where we simulate the real attack based on WAPS Top 10 2025 and common findings. And the last is reporting, where we document our finding, including scoping, data tests, risk level, effect components, and description finding, proof of concept, and the last is summary finding. Next.
Okay, in this slide, we conduct a passive information gathering. There are who is to retrieve domain ownership details. Second, Wapalizer to detect the underlying technologies used by the target website. And third, Google Docs to uncover hidden security vulnerabilities or sensitive documents inadvertently exposed to the public. Next. We move on to active information gathering. There are OWASP to interactively detect early stage vulnerabilities within the web application. Second, Nmap for network mapping, identifying open ports and discovering the operating system running on the target host. And third, SubFinder to map out all subdomains of the target, expanding our overall attack surface analysis. And last, curl to interact directly with web servers. Next.
Right, for our progress, we are currently at 50%. We have already completed the preparation and information gathering stages, while the exploitation stage is still in progress. Next. And here is our logbook for this project. Next.
This slide explain the constraint we encountered during the PBL project. That is, firewall enforcement significantly constrained the testing scope and lack of sufficient skills. Next. On this slide, we have a text distribution that outlines the job description for each the team member, specifically during the preparation and information gathering phase. We work together, and during the exploitation phase, since we are using the Ops Top 10 2025, we have assigned it to categories to each person. Next.
That's all from our presentations. Thank you from our team PBL RKS 608. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.